Welcome back to Next Tool X, the ultimate spot for crazy cool gadgets you didn't even know you needed. Today we're diving into the smartest, funniest, and most game-changing pet gear out there. So smash that subscribe button and check out the links in the description if you want to grab any of these gadgets for your furry best friend. Let's jump in! Meet the super absorbent microfiber dog towel. Plush, soft, and super absorbent. It soaks up 7 times its weight, traps dirt, and dries fast. Perfect for rainy walks, baths, or crate liners. Gentle on paws, quick drying, odor-free, and built to last. Your pup stays happy, your home stays clean. Ever come home after a muddy walk and dread those paw prints all over your floor? Meet the ultimate no-rinse paw cleaner. Just squirt, scrub with soft silicone bristles, and boom! Clean paws in seconds. Gentle, natural ingredients like aloe and tea extract keep paws healthy, while you stay mess-free. Perfect for dogs, cats, and busy pet parents on the go. Tired of bending over with stinky bags? Meet the Go-Go Stick Catch and Go, the genius poop catcher that keeps your hands 100% clean. Just hold it under your pup's tail. Catch, tie, toss, done. No bending, no squatting, no mess. Light, telescopic, and perfect for anyone with back or knee pain. Once you try it, you'll never pick up poop the old way again. Pet hair everywhere? This gadget is about to save your home and your sanity. Meet the 5-in-1 Dog Grooming Vacuum. It sucks up 99% of pet hair while you trim. With 3 quiet suction levels, your dog stays calm and your furniture stays clean. 6 clipper guides, a huge dust cup, and pro-quality grooming right at home. Say goodbye to groomer bills and hello to a fur-free couch. Tired of chasing your dog around the yard? Meet the Nerf Dog Tennis Ball Blaster. Just load, pull back, and launch balls up to 50 feet. Hands stay dry. Fun stays endless. Adjustable power for any distance, safe for small, medium, or large pups. Bright balls, easy to track, and built Nerf tough. Your dog's new favorite toy and your new favorite way to play fetch. Struggling with nail trims on your big pup? Meet the Atison Dog Grooming Sling. Hang your dog safely, trim nails, and groom fur with ease, just like a pro at home. Soft, breathable mesh keeps them calm, comfy, and stress-free. Comes with clippers, nail guards, and grooming scissors. Big dogs? No problem. Supports up to 150 pounds. Groom smarter, not harder. Ever tried biking with your dog and almost crashed? This rotating bike leash fixes that. It lets your dog run safely beside you without pulling you off balance. It's carbon fiber, super strong but super light, and even absorbs sudden tugs for a smooth ride. Quick clip on, quick clip off, and boom, you just turned bike rides into your dog's favorite adventure. Tired of refilling your dog's bowl twice a day? This smart water fountain holds over 2 gallons, enough to keep even big dogs hydrated for a week. The constant flow keeps water fresh. A blue to red light reminds you when it's low, and the stainless steel bowl stays cool even on hot days. It's whisper quiet, easy to clean, and made for multi-dog homes. Your pup deserves this upgrade. Bath time doesn't have to be a wrestling match. Meet the Waterpik Pet Wand Pro, the shower made just for dogs. Its wide water comb spray blasts through thick fur and rinses shampoo fast, while the gentle narrow spray is perfect for sensitive spots. Use it inside or outside, one-handed, no mess, no stress. Your dog gets cleaner, you stay drier. Bath time just got an upgrade. Your cat's about to lose its mind, in the best way possible. This motion-activated laser toy turns on by itself when your cat walks by and shoots random laser patterns that keep them hunting for 15 minutes straight. It's silent, rechargeable, and has 3 speed modes, so even the laziest cat gets a workout, while you just sit back and laugh. Summer heat got your dog panting like crazy? This pet cooling pad is basically AC for your pup. No chemicals, no fridge, just 24/7 cool comfort. It drops to a perfect 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, stays cool all day, and it's soft and comfy enough for naps. Easy to clean, safe for pets, and built to last. If you love your dog, this is the ultimate summer upgrade. Your dog is bored? Stop letting him chew your shoes. This grenade-shaped chew toy is built for aggressive chewers. I'm talking German Shepherds, Pit Bulls, even Mastiffs can't destroy this thing. Stuff it with peanut butter or kibble, and suddenly, it's his favorite game and snack. It bounces, it rolls, it keeps him busy, and saves your furniture. Seriously, if your dog's a power chewer, this is the toy that survives. Tired of scooping cat litter every single day? Meet the self-cleaning litter box that does it for you. 2 minutes after your cat leaves, it separates the waste, seals in the smell, and drops it in the trash, giving you up to 15 days of hands-free cleaning. Plus, the app tracks your cat's health and reminds you when it's time to empty. No scooping, no smell, just a cleaner, fresher home. Your cat is bored, and your couch is paying the price. This little smart ball wakes up, lights up, and bounces around on its own. No app, no remote. It even stops every 10 minutes so your cat doesn't get overstimulated, then starts again for more fun. Built-in sensors keep it from getting stuck, and one charge lasts hours. This is the boredom buster your cat actually needs. Ever seen a toy your dog can't stop chasing? Meet the Sniffiz SmellyUFO. Fill it with treats, watch your pup roll, shove, and chase for a full hour. Mental stimulation, physical exercise, and boredom buster all in one. Adjustable difficulty keeps them challenged, and durable materials survive even the toughest chewers. Keep your dog happy, active, and sharp. And that's it for today's pet gadget haul. If you saw something your furry best friend would love, hit that like button. They deserve it. Make sure you subscribe to Next Tool X so you never miss the next round of crazy cool pet finds. And if you want to grab any of these gadgets for your own pets, all the links are waiting for you right in the description. Give your pets the upgrade they deserve, and I'll catch you in the next one.